Comet Crashes, Congo Coups Camels in Space. Welcome to Today in History. On August 30, we dive into comet collisions, freedom movements, space milestones, and deadly storms that shaped the human story. These 20 fact-packed, weirdly wonderful moments span empires falling, planets aligning, and radical ideas taking flight. Subscribe and ring that bell because this ride through time is unpredictable, unforgettable, and packed with jaw-dropping twists. Number 20, August 30 BC, Mark Antony committed suicide after losing Egypt to Octavian. His death fulfilled Cleopatra's prophecy, born together, dying together, and paved the way for Octavian's rise as Rome's first emperor. Number 19, August 30th, 636, the Battle of Yarmouk ended in a crushing victory for Arab forces over Byzantines. It redrew the map of the Middle East and sealed centuries of Islamic influence in Syria and Palestine. Number 18, August 30, 1516, Spanish conquistador Pedro de Mendoza founded Buenos Aires, but it failed due to resistance and famine. The city disappeared and was refounded in 1580, later becoming Argentina's iconic capital. Number 17, August 30, 1791, Burgess shale fossils were discovered in Canada by Charles Doolittle Walcott. These strange Cambrian creatures revolutionized paleontology and sparked wonder at Earth's earliest complex life. Number 16, August 30, 1862, the Civil War's Second Battle of Bull Run ended in Confederate victory under Stonewall Jackson. The crushing Union defeat opened Washington to invasion and shook Northern morale. Number 15, August 30, 1908, a magnitude 7 earthquake struck Oregon's Venanda, collapsing railroad tracks and igniting mysterious, luminescent skies, but caused surprisingly few casualties thanks to the region's sparse population. Number 14, August 30, 1922. At the Battle of Dumlupinar, Turkish forces decisively expelled Greek armies, ending the Greco-Turkish War. This victory is commemorated annually as Turkey's Victory Day. Number 13, August 30th, 1935, British inventor Thomas Wedgwood filed the earliest patent for photography using light-sensitive chemicals. His experiments would inspire Talbot and Daguerre's breakthroughs in capturing images. Number 12, August 30, 1941, German forces cut the last rail access to Leningrad, beginning the 872-day siege. The city's resilience became legendary in World War II history, but hardships were horrific. Number 11, August 30th, 1945, General Douglas MacArthur arrived in Tokyo to oversee Japan's occupation. His leadership reshaped post-war Japan's constitution, demilitarization, and marks a turn in world order. Whoa! If you've made it this far, you clearly love spicy history more than medieval kings loved awkward family feuds. So why not knight yourself a subscriber, hit that red button like you're storming a castle, and ring the bell so you never miss a moment when history gets weird, wild, and wonderfully jaw-dropping. Trust me, what's coming up next is even juicier than Cleopatra's dating profile. Number 10, August 3rd, 1957, the U.S. Air Force Academy opened in Colorado Springs. Bright cadets marched under Rocky Mountains, while the Cold War demanded a new generation of officer leadership. Number 9, August 30, 1963, President Kennedy activated the Hotline between Washington and Moscow to prevent nuclear war. One red phone now bridged the world's deadliest rivalry in real time. Number 8, August 30, 1967, Thurgood Marshall was confirmed as the first black U.S. Supreme Court justice. His appointment marked a milestone in civil rights, breaking a century of racial barriers. Number 7, August 30th, 1970. The Isle of Wight Music Festival ended after 3 days of epic performances from Hendrix, The Doors, Joni Mitchell, and others, despite riots and massive overcrowding. Number 6, August 30th, 1970, Soviet astronomer Tamara Smirnova discovered 3 asteroids, Shura, Veterania, and Grasimovich, in one night. A triumphant yet underreported achievement in 20th century astronomy. Number 5, August 30, 1983, Guillaume Bluford became the first black American astronaut in space riding aboard Challenger. His mission marked a breakthrough in representation in space exploration. Number 4, August 30th, 1991, Azerbaijan declared independence from the Soviet Union, one of many republics that dissolved Soviet influence and reshaped worldwide geopolitics. Number 3, August 3rd, 1999, East Timor voted for independence from Indonesia. This landmark referendum began the nation's long and painful path to sovereignty and UN-led peace. Number 2, August 30, 2005, Hurricane Katrina touched down near New Orleans. Its failure of levees unleashed catastrophic floods, killing nearly 2,000 and reshaping America's disaster response forever. Number 1, August 30, 2021, the U.S. completed its withdrawal from Afghanistan, ending the longest war in American history. Taliban militants swiftly reestablished control, marking a chaotic and divisive exit. From emperors' tragic ends to cosmic phone lines, festal riots, and global independence movements, August 30 has it all. But tomorrow's August 31 brings a comic collision, a virtual heist, and the curious case of a presidential portrait that vanished. Subscribe now, click the bell, and join us for another spine-tinkling journey through history's stranger side. Because every day has a story, and today in history, make sure you don't miss a beat.